Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to do affiliate marketing with Pinterest. So this is a very easy method. Actually, only we have to do is we have to be persistent with this in order to make money. You can just go to Pinterest and search like cozy room ideas. Then you will get bunch of cozy photos. Then in that photo you can check their profile. They are getting crazy amount of views, like 1 million, 2 million views. So, and the best part is if we post a photo today and it will be the same photo. I mean, like in other social medias, they just go like this, no. But in Pinterest, they will exist the same after even 5 years. They will drive you sales even after 5 years. This method can be applied to your own Shopify store as an example, or we can do this as an Amazon affiliate product thing. So we can put directly Amazon products and product links. There's a specific method. I will teach you in the video. So stay tuned, guys. I break down into the videos break down into about 5 parts, easy parts. So it's so easy to do that. So stay tuned. Like I said, there are not much of big steps when it comes to affiliate marketing with Pinterest. So let's see. As the first step, we have to do is find a trending niche. All right. Uh, we can do it easily with the Pinterest keywords manager. It's a free tool, so no need to pay any extra amount for those. And of course, we have to make an Pinterest account in order to access this Pinterest keywords manager. So let's go to that. So this is the URL, trends.pinterest.com. So then they ask to log in, as I don't have an account yet. Let's sign up, and we have to make put the email address, password, and the date of birth, and create account. Then you get an email confirmation, so just confirm that email, and that's it. Alright, I just created an account, so all the things are unlocked. And then for the sake of this video, as we have to be quick, I already chose a niche which is like home decor. It really works well in the Pinterest. Let's see, you can see the home decor ideas, inspiration, really at a steady flow than others. Let's say like Halloween. You can see just it's a seasonal thing, so we have to stick with evergreen thing like home decor. Alright, we will choose home decor as our niche. So then the first step is complete, and then we have to find an example for that chosen niche. Let's go to Pinterest. And then we have to search home decor. Let's find a good example for our thing, right? There are a bunch of listing like Amazon, Etsy, Babe. Let's see this one, like from a real user. We can, filter them also. Let's filter by a profile. Then let's see this one, Miss Mustard Seed, 1.7 million views. You can see there are lots of products in there, I mean like hidden products. Let's get this as an example. In this case, we can put a link for this and this table also, and anything, or you can see, right, that table is going $4,220. You can see that side. Let's have a look. So this is an affiliate offer, as you can see. Let's see, 208k followers, and where's the number of views? 1.7 million. So you can get an idea, right? And I know the next question you asking is, how do I get photos for this? So, and that's our third step also. We have to find photos. Just go to Instagram, and then also Pinterest is not just an social media, it's a it's a search engine. So we can post literally anything like screenshots, etc. So for the sake of this video, I just chose this Insta account, which has 7.9 million views, and you can see there are a bunch of beautiful photos with home decor. And let's get this photo. You can see there's a coffee machine. We can find an Amazon link for that coffee machine, Amazon affiliate link. Also, you can, if you have a store, you can do the same, apply the same principle for that store also. So when we getting a photo from these guys, we have to give the credit. Just type from Insta, inspire me home decor at Pinterest, or go description. That's enough. So before we start posting these, we have to just add a bio and a banner and something like that to our Pinterest account, like the profile. So that's easy. Just edit the profile and then you can add those. And the other thing is, we have to add a banner and a profile picture. For that we can use Canva, which is pretty simple to use. There are many videos how to create a banner, profile picture with Pinterest with Canva, so you can watch those videos. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to create a banner, etc., as those are just simple steps, and otherwise this video will be long, as we need a link when posting these pins. Actually, that's where we make the money with our affiliate links. So we can use Kit as it's like a link tree, so we can use Kit link when we post something on Pinterest. Also, you can create a just simple website like blogs, and in that you can place your affiliate links directly into that. Then you can get ad revenue one day from that blogs also, and you will get views for your blog, and also if they buy, you will get affiliate income. So that might be a good idea if you are starting out. So guys, it's nothing fancy, just do it. It's simple, but we have to be persistent in order to succeed with this. So I wish you all the best with this Pinterest affiliate marketing, or we also, like I said, we can apply to our own website, so that's also good income. So keep trying. If you have any comments or any questions to ask, just put a comment. Then also, if you have any video requests to do, then just comment down below and I will make videos in my free time. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.